Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use second screen with laptop closed. To start, enter power in the search box. Click Edit Power Plan. After this, click on Power Options. Now click on choosing what closing the lid does. Here, both in the on battery and plugged in options, in the line when I close the lid, select Do Nothing. Click Save Changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.